Meghalaya Post.news.
Ucaman ke Green Tech Foundation uba ban sudor nonglang mentah kasngiu laong baka jingyaki kanang jur bat kajing syak tangan jongu kandang beteng hadian baka tanah tourism kalakan tat banweng ya kajing kentup ya kadeulan nong lumpong deng ha ke project banshna ya kata resort and spa ya kene kara la shimru hadian kajing bom seiso kajing lit kendu ya ke kong BL pakenten ke director ke tanah tourism banweng no ya kajing kentup ya kadeulan nong lumpong deng ha ke project nakalang secretary ke GTF uba ritri lengdo ulaong baka jing syak tangan kalapoi sya kasngi kam hanyong bal ucaman mentau don ha pedeng kajing tulat bat mentah ka step nakalang ka board district kalakot banit kendu bat ka kong BL pakenten ke director ke tanah tourism Henry ke kajing kendu kam syamla seiso nama nakalang ke tanah tourism kam syamla weng ya kadeulan nong lumpong deng ha ke project bantai ka resort.
Today being the 7th day of the indefinite hunger strike, our chairman has fallen weak as the days pass by, and this morning, as you have seen, the district administration had asked for us to meet with the director, the director of tourism, however he did not come with a written assurance. And later in the evening at around 4:40, we received a letter that was delivered to us saying that there would be a meeting that has been convened by the director of tourism, the directorate. After we had a meeting amongst our team members, we had taken a decision that we shall go and attend the meeting. The outcome of the meeting is quite very disappointing. We have been sitting here for more than 6 days hoping for a very productive results from the government's end, that they will scrap this project. However, after deliberating on many issues, with the environment being the crux of the discussion, the Department of Tourism through the Directorate is adamant that they will not remove or revoke the agreement that mentions Lumpong Deng to be part of the luxury resort and spa. Therefore, on such a disappointing outcome of the meeting, Green Tech Foundation through the chairman announces that the indefinite hunger strike shall carry on, and demonstrations as guaranteed under the Constitution of India shall be amplified.
Meghalaya Post.news.